Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see in the thumbnail, a very unfortunate event just happened to my family. But thanks to Vantrue front and rear dash cam, I installed this dash cam on my Honda Pilot about a little bit more than a month ago, not knowing if I really gonna need this one day. But that one day came. So it happened when I was driving back home from picking up my daughter from school. We were about, coming back home only less than, I would say, a quarter mile from home. Approaching the red light, we were stopping the car, and all of a sudden, the big impact just hit in the back of my car, and I was about to pull over and go down and see the damage and talk to the other car if they are okay. But I didn't even park my car yet. That person just turned around and drove away and ran. But the rear view camera captured every single moment of that accident. Fortunately, my daughter and I was okay. We were not injured in the accident, and the only damage was to the car and not us. So after that, I reported to the police, called my insurance, and was able to provide the whole evidence from the camera and also screen capture of the license plate. So the insurance found the owner of that vehicle within an hour, and also discovered the insurance of that vehicle. Unfortunately, that vehicle did not have valid insurance during the time of the accident. The insurance was expired more than 3 or 4 months ago. But because of the evidence from the camera, they were able to find that insurance and proved from the other side insurance that they do not have a valid insurance. That really helped me a lot and my insurance, because I do not have a uninsured motorist, but I do have collision. And somehow my insurance policy has, I think they call it uninsured deductible waiver on collision. But I have to have evidence and find the owner, who is the owner of the car, and find the insurance to make sure that person do not have insurance in order to get that waiver on my deductible. Because of this camera, I don't have to pay $1,000 deductible to fix my car. So my car, as of now, is already in the shop getting fixed. So I will put the link of that video when I was installing on my Honda Pilot up above, and also in the description below. Okay, I'll show you every moment of that accident. Let's watch it. So this is the damage on my car that was caused by that hit and run accident. Doesn't seem a lot from the outside. Just one side of the bumper was damaged, and that light on the bottom. But if you see inside, you see the exhaust was hit, and that might have to change the rear part of the exhaust. It's the view from the side. As you can see in the video, the rear view camera were able to capture every moment when accident happened. Also, the brand of the car, color of the car, and most importantly, the license plate. So from now on, I would definitely put or install the dash cam. Of course, has to be front and back to my every car. Hopefully this would help you make decision. You know, if you do not have Tesla, if you have another car that do not come equipped with surrounding cameras. So this is really good idea to have the front and rear dash cam on your car. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. If you liked the video, please click like, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channels and also the future content. We'll see you on the next video.